Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to activate Dropshipping Center on AliExpress. So you want to search this in your browser. So rewrite it and write it in your searching field in your browser, and here is basically this page. I have already done that, as you can see. And if you use iOS device, you can request desktop version because it's more convenient. So here it is. And here in the top right corner of the screen, you will see here login or register. I have already done that as well. So simply log in or register your account, your AliExpress account, and after that you will be prompted to review Dropshipping Center terms of service and data service authorization. Scroll through it carefully and tap the checkbox to agree. And after doing that, AliExpress may ask you for personal information, but may not. If it asks, fill in your name, maybe some other personal data, and of course tap submit button to save all changes. That's basically this Dropshipping Center page of AliExpress, and from here you can search for hot selling products, use image search to find items, and explore sponsored top selections. So that's how you can activate Dropshipping Center on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.